Want to stop someone from interacting with you on X? Maybe to avoid spam, unwanted messages, or annoying posts? In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on X quickly and easily. Start by opening the X app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the search icon and use the search bar to type the name or username of the person you want to block. From the search results, find the correct account and tap on their profile to open it. You can also do this directly from your feed if you already see one of their posts. Now that you're on their profile page, look toward the top corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot menu icon. This will open a list of account options. From the menu, tap on Block. A confirmation message will appear just to make sure you really want to block this person. Tap Block again to confirm your choice. The account is now blocked. They won't be able to follow you, message you, or interact with your posts while the block is active. If you ever change your mind later, you can always return to their profile and unblock them. Thanks for watching.